Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2019 Ford F-250 and an XLT trim, and powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, coming with steps down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. Looking into the back seat, we have comfortable seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal a collapsible storage box underneath. Can also be locked at the hinge. And in the middle you have a 12 volt with two cup holders, as well as having vinyl flooring that's easier to clean in general. Looking into the front, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a partially power adjustable driver's seat and power adjustable pedals. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 91,927 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, engine info, transmission temperature, distance to empty, tire pressures. And then you have your trip and fuel information, so trip 1, 2, fuel economy, fuel history, and compass. You have your towing information, off-road status, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, USB, and Bluetooth capable, so you have plenty of options there for whatever you want to listen to. It does also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Above that, you have your traction control shutoff, hazards, and then moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls. Pretty simple, easy to use. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and trailer brake controller. And on the right, you have two 12-volt power outlets. Down below, you have another 12 volt with a USB. And then looking at your column shifter, it does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, as well as your tow haul mode button at the end of the stock. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have two cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, with another lockable compartment underneath, with some cup holders inside that you can flip around like so, having a ton of room in there, and being able to have some drinks while this seat is folded up, or 4 in total if you're feeling wild. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.